Here's a quick look at the 2022 Ford Maverick truck. So this thing is a truck that's a car, starts at $20,000, and it's built on the unibody Ford Escape SUV platform. So it's going to be a truck that drives more like a car, has less capacity than the bigger Ford trucks. It's actually 11 inches shorter than the Ford Ranger. A 4x4 is available on this if you want four-wheel drive. It'll tow 2,000 pounds. It has a 1,500-pound payload, and it weighs 3,694 pounds. They have a hybrid version that gets 40 miles a gallon in the city with 191 combined hybrid horsepower. So has absolutely nothing to do with the original Ford Maverick from the 70s, if that was kind of a forgettable car. So I think they're hoping people forgot about it, and they're now associating Maverick with horse and Bronco with horse, and it's kind of a part of the new Ford truck line. Their marketing materials say it's a truck for people who didn't know they wanted a truck. There's everything except the price, all the features on it. You can freeze frame if you're interested in that. And then in the back is a 4.5-foot bed, which is almost a square, but they call it the flex bed, and there is some plywood in it there just to give you an idea of what it can do. So once the tailgate is folded out, it's a little bit longer and you can actually haul things. It has a whole bunch of tie-downs in it, and it's built to be very functional as a truck when you need it to be a truck. And then basically it's the El Camino of this generation, I think, is what they were going for. But they made it look more trucky because I think it's for people who want to have a truck but don't want to deal with the gas mileage and the parking and everything else. So it's kind of your starter truck, your gateway drug of trucks. There's a look at the back seat. So you can haul 5 people in here. Slam. And look at all the functionality of the racks. You can haul balls in it. You can haul bikes. You can haul plywood. And that is a 2-minute look at the Ford Maverick.